Welcome back to Legendary Trucking. I'm sweating my balls off with my acquaintance.
What's good?
Not really my friend or anything like that, you know?
No, I don't even know.
Yeah,
him.
I don't fucking know this guy.
I just met him today.
A-Rod Media, though. If you got it, you know where to go.
If you know.
If you don't know, now you know. You know where to go. Anyway, stay tuned, because this video is about to go down, okay? Right? Tell him.
It's going down.
It's going down, all right?
In the DMs.
In the DMs, all right? Let's get popping.
Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. And I don't know what the heck's going on with that glare, but dang. So today we're gonna get the truck washed right now. The homie Keep It Clean detail is gonna pull up on us. I'm gonna get the truck looking right. And cause it's been neglected for the past 2 weeks that I've been gone. And yesterday it rained, so it's looking pretty dang dirty. Look at those rims. Gross. But yeah, we're gonna get the truck washed. I'm gonna move it to the middle right now, so when he pulls up, he can just start washing. And yeah, gonna go get a haircut, go with the boy Richie, like we always do, you know, gotta keep it 100. And yeah, see what else we get into. We're gonna go to a car show tomorrow, the Freddys end of the month car show out there in Oro Valley. We're gonna go out there and see if the truck could place or whatnot, but first things first, we gotta get it washed. So let's get into it. So let's see. Should be pulling them right now. Keeping it clean. A ver. What the hell in the hell? What is this? What do we have here? Some fucking bugs. Look at it. Keeping it clean. Pulling up. Let's get into it. So if you ever need a wash, you know who to hit up. Right there, Keep It Clean, pull up on you, and get you right. Said if you ever need a wash or anything, hit him up. Phone number's right there. Hit him up. He gets you right, pull up to your crib, wherever you're at. He'll pull up. Set your appointment with him. He'll get you looking clean. So he's gonna start cleaning on the inside and then go from there. So yeah, guys. So guys, like I said, get you right. Look at that. Headliner to the clean. A ver. So what's up, everyone? So yesterday we had the truck washed by Keep It Clean Detailing, and today we're heading to Freddys end of the month car show that happens every month out in Oro Valley. We're gonna go check that out. Richie and David will probably pull up with them later to the Bulls meet that we're gonna have, but I don't think they're gonna make it to the car show. So yeah, we're gonna head out to this car show, check it out, and go from there. So we'll see what's going on. Catch you guys in a bit. We made it out here to the car show. Just some Corvettes. Let's see. One day we'll get one of these, bro. Or one day should we just swap one of these into Coco over there? Let us know. Drop a comment down below. What you think? Look at this. Fuck. The see-through hood. show you the setup right now of where we parked the truck. Guys, like I said, we're out here at the car show. We got a few trucks, dope hydro dip going on. Take one of his cards, might get some hydro dip done. Other than that, here's where we got the truck set up and parked. We got the boy Carlo right here. And got the Mama Lona right here set up. Shout out to Keep It Clean for getting us right, getting it cleaned up. But yeah, guys, let's see what if we get to place. We got that up against us. Semi, Carlo, that truck. I don't know, there's a few other trucks out here that we got up against us, but let's see if we can place, guys. A ver. And that is true.
Josh, where's Josh?
Pretty neat.
Auto's hydrograph.
Nobody show us. From my young nigga, 50 boats, hold a little nigga grow up. Yeah. That was my mom and dad were living in the one room shack.
Like I said, we pulled up to the Bulls meet, and look who we have. Look who we have here.
That's right. We're
who is
here. It's the one and only, Güerito.
Güerito.
Yeah.
Oh.
So as you guys saw, Alvaro went out and collected some trophies.
Yeah,
And,
a little bit.
You know, sadly we couldn't go, as you guys can see.
Hey, where's your partner in crime? A la madre. Where's your partner in crime?
Hey.
You on the car?
He's doing daddy duties.
Daddy duties?
He's doing daddy duties. Look at him.
Hey! With the car activities. Oh, la verga.
Yeah, we're gonna have to leave.
We're gonna have to leave. We're gonna have to dip out. There's all the car. The car activities.
So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully soon, once I get everything financially stable again, we'll be back on vlogging twice a week, getting you guys that sick content.
Yeah?
But right now, I need to pay my bills.
And we gotta pay off the Mama Lona.
We gotta pay off the Mama Lonas, because if not, we're gonna be a dos patas. And the boy
Repo.
over there, what is he wearing?
What? My boy, what do you got going on right there on the feet?
I'm confused. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what to do with my hands.
Whoa. Whoa. These man's. So guys, they're back again. We're back.
Alvaro left us.
I
We're
did.
back.
He's probably gonna
We're
leave
back.
again.
Technically, he's back.
He's gonna leave again.
So
Where am I going now?
Dude, what happened to you? Why is this like not?
Yeah, fool, you cracked your shit or what's going on?
That thing's like.
Oh, you cracked your oh no, it's like that. Don't look at it, bro.
It's fine.
Don't look at the.
Get out of here, bro. Don't look at it.
Go turn on your Mama Lona.
Rev it for the vlog.
Yeah.
Ah, it's a V6.
Let's see if
You're gonna burn out? Hey, no, bro. There's cops. Le vale verga. Oh. Oh no.
He
Hey, it's the
has a
same
girl inside,
It's
so
the
he's trying to
same.
impress her.
It's the same cut that tried to burn out for the last
look,
vlog.
Look.
¡No quemase, madre! No,
He's trying to show us that he
mames.
has a good braking system. And the loud is out.
The transmission warranty, you're gonna void it. You're gonna void the tranny warranty, bro.
No, it's okay. Just don't show this to Paul.
We need to make it to Vegas.
We're gonna make it to Vegas.
We need to make it to Vegas, and my man's over here burning out. Like we got money to blow for tires.
Guess how I did it to get this trendy though.
Oh. Mucha nalga.
Whoa. All right, let's go here your exhaust.
Let's go. Exhaust check.
We got him with the intros.
With the intros, riding
Real
clean.
good.
Look it. My man got the light up door. Woo! A ver. My goodness. I hope that's not a lifter, bro.
Yeah, it is. That's why I'm getting cammed.
Oh shit.
But I was full, and if you see now, it's a half.
God damn it. They said red the mama luna.
So like and subscribe so they can put gas in my truck now.
Now, see, that's what we need. We're trying to sponsor the whole club.
Yeah.
But you guys don't like, comment, and subscribe, so.
So for now, that'll be it. Tomorrow we're gonna get back to work. You know, on that grind. And then see you guys on the next.
We gotta see what's up with all of those wheel lights, man.
It's still on hold.
They're on
Everything's
hold. I ran out of money for parts.
Bro. But we'll get that in soon as well. And then we got a Vegas show coming up.
So like 2 months away, but
Yeah, but that's the one that we're going to. You've been going to every car show. I'm sorry. So we're gonna.
sorry.
Thank you so much, sir.
A ver,
See?
cómetela,
Sponsor us.
güey.
Aggressive.
Aggressive.
Thank you, Dad.
You're next.
See,
You're
he
next.
sponsored us.
Wait, how am I supposed to get one? They're melted, look. To tortilla.
A ver.
Alright, well.
Alright.
On to the next one. Stay tuned.